Yeah, I see. The cat. Oh, it's nice. Yeah.
Would you like me to get some more paper?
You feel like, is it
happy?
you would go there with your kids, and then it's all quite new.
Say that, you know, every pigment has got a history. Yeah, some of them.
For the last 4 years, we've been working with rain projects and trying to find a way to kind of depressurize what we do in the master's program. It's a fairly intense process for students, but also just kind of getting them to locate themselves in the Southwest and see what the Southwest is about.
You need something for a handle and something for the brush end, and just to think about the marks that you're going to make with the tools. Yeah.
What I always find with these residencies or weekends or workshops is that they're just brilliant for giving yourself permission to do things that you wouldn't normally do in your practice or, you know, in your everyday life. So, but it's something about being away from the domestic situation, of course, but it's also the way the workshops are led and taught. It's just always have a good experience.
I think it's a good experience for all of us to not be in a school setting, and of course just like sharing the whole weekend together and during lunchtime or dinner, knowing each other more like deeper, I guess.
Show of hands, who after this would like to go swimming in the sea?